Come to our cafe and try our ice cream. The cafe is decorated just how Olaf and Elsa like it. Make a floor out of styrofoam. Here's a corner.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And we're going to turn this into a cozy cafe. Huh? This is ice cream made out of glue. Divide it up. Olaf is here to help us put the wallpaper up.
Woohoo!
He's doing great.
Yeah!
Now do the floor.
Wow!
Thanks for the help, Olaf.
Okay. Hi there.
This ice cream is going to be a hit. Cover the side edges with sparkly foam paper. A pipe cleaner covers the joints. Whoa, look! The cone fell out of the picture! Trim the edges and draw silver waffle texture. It's covered in frost. Make melted ice cream out of light clay. It's dripping. Hang the decoration on the wall. Make holes. Olaf brought a string of lights. Is this okay? Light it up. Trace an arch on thin styrofoam. Put glittery pieces on each side. Put the rack on 2 blocks. Brrr! So cold! Even the sides of the cash register are frozen. Olaf, help!
Yes!
He brought us some more pieces to use. Use thin styrofoam to make a base for the monitor. Attach the display. There's a power cord at the back. Put it in the corner. Phew. Now it's easy to take lots of orders. But where is the ice cream going to go? Let's make a rounded display case. Paint chopsticks silver. Turn them into legs. Add another level. Paint a clear cap white. And add glitter. We need the top part of a bottle. Cut blue plastic into asymmetrical pieces. Make a cup shape. Curl the edges and fill the middle. It snowed all over. Put the fridge on 4 sparkly legs. Break up a clear brush case. Pick out some light clay. Roll scoops of ice cream. There's something for everyone! Don't forget to post it on LaLiLu. Frozen Cafe has a huge selection of ice cream. Olaf is setting up his display.
Wow!
All the cups of ice cream look amazing on the racks. Cut a strip of Styrofoam. Trim one of the edges. Make a fridge. Attach a few strips. Olaf brought some more materials for us. Decorate the sides. We made dividers out of plastic pieces. Fill them with different flavors of ice cream. Top them with sparkly sprinkles. There are icicles in here too! Put the freezer by the wall. Come choose your favorite flavor. Next up, we'll need some caps from chips packages. 3 is enough. Each table gets a leg. Secure the wooden stands in the plastic cups. There's more icicles instead of a tablecloth. The base is covered in snow. Put the tables through the cafe. Trim the top part of a yogurt bottle. Cover the seats with foam paper. The bottom has sparkly wire on it. The chairs look great. We'll need half spheres. Turn them into serving trays. Fill them with ice cream balls. Separate a plastic dropper into parts. Then reconnect them. Fill them with an icy drink. This is one of the best things on the menu. Put the drinks and desserts on the tables. The cafe is decorated just how Olaf and Elsa like it. It's icy cold. This is the perfect place to store and sell ice cream. Business is booming, even in the dead of winter. Come to our cafe and try our ice cream.